It's Kimono, and oh my gosh, Walgreens, we've got some curbside freebies. We're going to go through some curbside and in stores. The deals just got better, if that's even possible. This is the beginning of the month. I don't even want to wake up. Man, it's off to a bang. So these dollar Suave shampoos, they are $1 a piece. And there's a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that is in fact attaching to them, making it totally for free. So in your Walgreens app, you'll add 2 of these to a cart and opt to do a curbside pickup at your store. Most of you know what that is. You drive to the store, pick it up, and boom, pretty easy process. You can pick it up at the photo counter or drive to the store and call the number on a placard, and then a customer service rep brings it out and they're like, here's your shampoo. And then you're like, oh, thank you so much. So add 2 of those shampoos to a cart, and then you're going to have this digital loaded, which is a 2 off of 2. And yeah, it's not specific on a certain type of shampoo, just a Suave shampoo. So looking at your basket here, you have 2 in the basket for $2. They're $1 a piece. Michigan tax is 12 cents. We have our curbside pickup, which is free. The manufacturer is coming off, so 12 cents for 2 shampoos. I'm paying tax. So it's like, 6 cents per shampoo, or, 0.001 cent per hair wash. I just thought that would be funny to throw that in. Do this deal sooner than later. This is going to get cleared. If you live in a super rural area, they might not even have this shampoo in stock. Probably larger cities, you'll be able to score this one. But OMG, what a great little dealio. And if you love these little 5-minute deal videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. Helps out with the old YouTube algorithm and to ensure that this video does not end up in YouTube Siberia. I would greatly appreciate it if you could take 2 seconds to like this video. Thank you in advance, guys, so much. Okay, so let's talk about the next 2 deals, which are in store. I'm going to suggest to do it in store, so in case things are not in stock or you lose a digital coupon, you have more control to do this in store. I think most of you can grasp that, because sometimes with curbside, if they don't have an item in store, you just get your order canceled, or you just get one item and you have to pay for it. So let's go in store for these next 2. You guys remember this? I was like, do this, do that, get it for 49 cents, which is kind of like a not so great deal. But some $2 digital showed up this morning, so this deal will be free now. Free. So what we're going to grab for this one in store is one of these mouthwashes for $3.99, and see how there's a $2 digital. You're going to load this guy. So load this, boom, pretty easy to do. And we're also going to grab one of these toothbrushes for $3.99 as well. And there's also a $2 digital coupon that you'll load. So load this guy right away. Go with a mouthwash and a toothbrush, because we get the toothpaste for free all the time. These other 2 items, not so much. So these are the items I would specifically suggest just to bulk up your stockpile with all of the goods. So looking at the math for this one of the mouthwashes and then 1 brush, that's $7.98. Alternatively, if one of the items are not in stock, you could throw in a toothpaste for the same cost, and there's a $2 digital for that. Okay, so subtracting the $2 digitals, $4 is coming off. You're left with paying $3.98 out of pocket. You're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, essentially making this for free. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. What a great little dealio. Okay, guys, now Tom's of Maine, the children toothpaste is $4.79. I remember a while back that used to be $3.99, so let's see what that is in store. But inflation, I guess everything is just creeping up in price points. I'm not too happy about that. Grabbing 2 of these Tom's of Maine toothpastes. There is a whole host of coupons. And then if you look at the bottom, it says buy 2, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's a weekly promotion on that. I'll show you the coupons here in a second. But yeah, there's a lot of coupons to go with these toothpaste right now. So we have this $2.25. I think you had to load this last week, so hopefully you guys loaded it. But it's a really nice little coupon. Good till August, so yeah, look at that one. There's also this $2 for the Colgate. Now, I think Colgate owns Tom's of Maine, that's why it's attaching, and then $1.50 off. You'd have to read the fine print of that. I didn't get the chance because I just loaded this quickly, but I think it's fine to use either one of these. So make sure you have at least 2 of those coupons loaded. Over on IBOTTA, there is a $1 rebate back for the purchase of this, and even though it says Rite Aid, it's at multiple stores, you'll get $1 back for each tube. Okay, so looking at this, 2 of the Tom's of Maine is $9.58. Subtracting the $2.25 and the $2 digital manufacturers, you're left with paying $5.33 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. Submitting $2 to IBOTTA, $1 back times 2 equals 2 per tube of toothpaste. It makes this free plus $1.67 moneymaker. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Free dental care. How fantastic is this? What a great start to the week. I'll catch you guys in the next one.